friends, Dr. Meena Shah, medical doctor, health and life coach working with corporates for more than 25 years. And today I am specially addressing working women on how to be more healthy, energetic and happy even while doing the double duty. It's very important because finally we are one person. Whether I'm working at home and cooking, or whether I'm going for a movie, whether I'm playing with my children, or whether I'm planning for a wedding in the family, I'm one person. So how I am reflects in everything that I do. If I make my child to do his homework and I'm irritated because something didn't happen right in my office, that's going to affect the child, because how I will talk to him, what I will tell him, what will be my body language, whether I'm irritated or no with him, everything will affect how my child will do my homework. Same thing, if I'm cooking and I'm not in a good mood, then the food will be made differently. If I'm in a good mood, it will be made differently. So it's very important that we keep ourselves balanced. It's very important that since we are short of time, we learn to delegate work. You know, if I think I can only do this thing perfectly and I will keep doing, I'll keep doing for my whole life. But if I learn to delegate to people, maybe to my maid, maybe to somebody else who is staying with me in the house, if I tell something, most people want to help. But if I don't tell and if I feel only I can do it perfectly and I will do it, then I'll be always short of time. So learn to delegate. Learn to relate with people with more positivity, because we have to deal with more people. Whether it is our maid, whether it is our neighbor, whether it is our children's teachers, we have to deal with more people. So dealing with people with more understanding and more empathy will always make our life easy. If we deal with little more irritation, or we want them to do the way or behave the way we want them to behave, it increases our stress. So being a working woman is a challenge. But for a working woman to manage the challenge, she needs to be stronger, better and healthier. So be everything and be the best woman in your own life and take care of yourself like you have never done before.